Look how beautiful she looking. All right, my peeps, we got ourselves here a good old turkey breast. All right, we got ourselves here a 4.5 pound turkey breast, bone in, got skin on here. So the only thing we gonna do with here is go ahead and throw this Chipotle peppers up in here, the adobo sauce. So we're not gonna throw too many peppers in here. Probably one pepper, make it just semi-spicy. You know what I'm saying? In case guests come over, we don't want to scare them away. But they'll say, "Hey, man, that was too spicy." So we're gonna make it real simple. We're gonna throw some oregano, thyme leaf, and some fresh ground black peppers. I got my mortar and pestle here to ground it up. So we ain't got to do too much to it. It's already pre-brined. Just dry it off, get it ready. Gonna make it super simple. Throw these bad boys in here. Just ground his boys up. It smells so good. Yeah, we gonna get it all injected. All right. So let me get it on up in here first because it got these little holes on the side here that it shoots out. It's gonna be over every slice of flavor. All right, we got our chipotle on here. Let's get this black pepper. Cause I love me a good turkey every now and then. That's off season. It don't need to be no holiday, no Thanksgiving, no Christmas, no Easter. Just regular day. And I'd be like, you know what, I got taste for turkey. A tablespoon of oregano. And I got a tablespoon of thyme. Let's get some flavor in this inside here. Man, I know this gonna be good. All right, she looking beautiful. So this old little turkey breast is going in the refrigerator for 24 hours. So we're gonna get on outside. Maybe we may get outside. We may throw in the oven. I don't know. We'll see. It's cold. It's cold up here now. It is really cold. But if the sun is out, if it ain't too bad, then I get out there, get on the smoker, and do it. So we'll make the decision tomorrow. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, we had this breast marinating overnight. So we're just gonna let it rock out. We're gonna do 250 degrees. Then I'm gonna wrap right around 130 degrees. I'm gonna pull it at 150. Let's have a good time and Chipotle turkey breast. And oh yeah, we're going with mesquite wood. Mesquite wood makes it all good. Oh baby, smoky. All right, she is ready. Internal is 150. Look how beautiful she looking. All right, y'all. So we gonna let it do its rest and carry over cooking in this butter. How about that? She all melted down. All right, simple as that. All right, I'll see y'all inside, and we gonna see how we did with the taste test. All right, let's see what we got. Lunchtime. I'm ready to get to in. Oh, the smell. That smell, boy. Ooh, I like that. Oh. That's smooth. That's smooth.
Yeah, baby.
Ooh.
Nice. Ready for a turkey sandwich.
Turkey sandwich. Man. Let them see what that look like. Ooh, I'm dripping in it everywhere.
Dripping.
Oh man. Baby, this is hitting, boy.
I bet it is. It smells good.
Man. Y'all saw how it was done. It only took about a couple of hours. 275 degrees I went at. Took it off at 150. Super juicy. Y'all saw me do the rest.